Well, by all accounts, having a baby should be a joyous time, but bringing life into the world could cost some moms their lives.
Raising awareness of that fact is the focus of Black Maternal Health Week. Action News race and culture reporter Taronda Thomas live here with us now in studio. And Taronda, there is just really startling numbers and statistics when we talk about this topic.
Listen to this statistic. The Centers for Disease Control says that Black women are 3 times more likely to die from a pregnancy-related death than their white counterparts. One New Jersey woman came close to being part of that statistic. She hopes her story and her new mission can help others.
Tons of moms and families these days.
Offering a chance to see babies.
The baby's kind of smiling.
In a way they're usually not seen.
3D is really lifelike, so you're getting the features, the chubby cheeks.
It's one of the reasons Victoria Dash co-founded I See Baby in Morristown Mall, giving other moms the pregnancy experience she didn't have.
I woke up, there was 50 nurses in the room, bright lights on, and they're saying, what happened?
Complications during the birth of her 3rd child. It's something she always feared, and for Black women, that fear is very real. Our 6ABC data team found the rate of pregnancy-caused deaths for Black women in New Jersey is 6 times higher than their white counterparts. In Pennsylvania, it's 4 times higher.
I don't think there's anything more tragic than losing a mom.
Philadelphia's Maternal Mortality Review Committee found from 2013 to 2018, Black women made up 43% of births, but 73% of pregnancy-related deaths in the city. Dr. Jack Ludmere with Temple Women and Families Hospital says the reasons could range from access to medical care to systemic racism.
It is really trying to address the social issues and how to try to combine both of them.
He notes the importance of advocacy and doulas who can assist during pregnancy and childbirth.
I said, I don't care what happens as long as you don't let me die.
Dash credits her doula with helping her not become a statistic.
She quite literally saved my life.
As a Black woman, I can honestly say I think every Black woman's fear is that number.
Over here, it would project on the wall.
It's why offering a peek at a healthy baby is so important. Helping more moms have deliveries that are not just special, but safe.
Give you that happy experience.
Temple hopes its new Women and Families Hospital can help by providing services to vulnerable populations. Also, the Pennsylvania legislature has created a Black Maternal Health Caucus, which introduced a set of bills to help address the issue. So people trying to do work on it, but still a lot of things to look at when it comes to Black maternal health.
All right.
Yeah, the awareness, so important.
Very.
All right. Thank you for that report, Toronto.
Time now.